Morning, second and third graders from Miss Doyle's cabin. We did it! This is your last day. I'm so proud of all of you. I wanted to go through the day, just show you what you're going to be working on today, but also tell you how proud I am of all of you. You've done an amazing job. First of all, when we were in the classroom, and then you really stepped it up during remote learning. So good for you. Proud of you. I hope you have a wonderful summer. I'm looking forward to our video chats for my students on the slide today. And we're going to be at school at 11 o'clock. A lot of us teachers waving off and celebrating the fifth graders going off to middle school. So that's going to be fun. If you hear some excitement from the school, that's what's happening. So let's look at today. This will be your slide. This is the schedule. JJ, Connor, and Bailey, Jesse, I'll be visiting with you today. Please make sure you have the link ready to go prior to our scheduled time because we've been having some technical difficulties. So I want to make sure that you can find the link and all of that. I chose a special book that I would have preferred to read to you myself, but I don't have the book. And this was the second best problem solving situation I came up with. I wish you more. So it's my wish for you for this summer and the years to come. But I'm looking forward to seeing what happens over the summer and hearing about it next year. So please, this is not a must do, but I sure do hope you watch this book and have the nice lady read it to you because I do wish you more. Here's your slides for Friday. You have time to explore the night sky. You'll have to download the Skyview app. So if you don't have a Padlet or an iPad or a phone to do that, you'll have to skip this one. Here is Try the Flight Pilot Simulator 3D app. Another app. Sorry, this is what was set up already. Calling all artists. Grab your crayons and go on a scavenger hunt outside. Love this idea. You'll click on this link. It'll take you to this Google Doc and it'll say it has, ooh, look, if you see a bird, draw a picture of a bird. My balcony's been being like this nice getaway for some birds and the cats are enjoying watching them. I could draw that bird, those birds. There's flowers, squirrels, insects, clouds, anything that you see, draw a picture of it. So that's offline. That's a nice break from technology. This one is search virtual museum tours to explore famous exhibits from around the world. Exciting. You can Google virtual museum tools, see what pops up, and go take a tour of different museums. And same slide, there's different apps and websites you can explore. And congratulations, well done. I hope you have a wonderful summer, and I can't wait to see you next year. Love, Miss Doyle. So have a wonderful day today. And again, if you want to reschedule your video chat that didn't happen because of technology problems, I'm waiting for you to email or Google chat, reach out to me so we can reschedule it. It may not happen today, but I can make it happen maybe next week. Congratulations. Mwah, mwah, mwah.